Friend. The word friend is defined as a person with whom one has a bond of mutual affection, typically one exclusive of sexual or family relations. This is the story of how I lost my virginity at the age of 15. Trauma is a response to a deeply depressing or disturbing event that overwhelms an individual's ability to cope, causes feelings of helplessness, diminishes their sense of self, and their ability to feel a full range of emotions and experiences. A lot of people out there are going through some sort of childhood trauma, but I'm here to tell you that you don't have to be a victim to your traumas. Never let your past situations determine your future. Remember that life is what you make it.
Sanique.
Yes, mommy?
Let me tell you something. It's when you're young, you just fall enough bad company. Yeah, I may end up all at prison. I may have to do badness just to have you because your father he was a raper. I may end up that him rape me. I may get you. That's why I never want to tell you who your father is.
Okay.
So, you know why you follow my footsteps and come just like me, yeah?
Yes,
So,
mom.
you want you take in your education and be a good girl. That's you know, have to follow my footsteps. Right? You come out better off than me. That's you know, say, in the long run, you can help me and help yourself and be a good girl. Alright? So, company and a good company for your follow. Follow no company.
Alright.
Yeah, family don't want you end up like me.
Alright, know yourself, mommy. I'm gonna make you proud. Know yourself.
Alright.
Alright.
That's nice. Alright.
Alright, mommy. Reach. Come in, girl. I see you take long for it from when you tell me see you come. Jesus, peace. Think you're not about to come?
Are you watching it?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, mother carried on for me when she did go.
Oh, you can't make your mother carry on one for me too.
Me ask her and hear what she say.
I'm your phone too?
Yes, girl.
Oh gosh, you can't make your mother bring one too.
So what phone you did have?
Mash up.
Oh, me talk to her. Me no promise anything, but me talk to her.
Oh, I make she carry one phone for me.
Or me go up for some and so me can't carry, probably carry down one of the watch for you.
So me can't come.
You have passport? From when me tell if you go start out the
no,
thing.
No money, that's the thing. No money.
Oh. Me I come there, me I go for something inside.
She have no phone every minute. Why we don't like herself? Just always a show off with her phone. Like you do. Nice phone.
Yeah, I'm back.
Your phone them look nice, man. Man is smart, man.
Thanks. So yeah, deal with.
Why am I hungry?
You're hungry. We never see you till you're hungry, you know?
I'm hungry, bro. You know, for money, me I work. I mean, they know for me, man.
Yeah, we go buy a piece of chicken.
Yes.
Alright, come now.
Alright. Are you a buy, though? I'm not no money.
They never have money yet. Alright, come, sure. Hey, Cashew! Your mother knows you over here? Jesus, peace, the sun hot. My God. How many are you doing, sir?
You make me sit down here.
How will me do now? Eh?
Your company, you tell about a girl there.
Mommy, but I'm a friend that for a long time.
I'm not talking about me, tell you I'm not one about her.
Mama, me you know her.
But something about that girl you don't like her.
So what me I go do, just drop her so?
Yeah, she's going to make your end up where you go. She's going to make your end up in a prison.
Mommy always I say them something about me friend them.
Walk with them, tell us to walk with her. He's not a good girl. He's not a good company for your walk with.
Alright, mommy, you can't done now, alright.
Alright.
Alright, you can't done now.
Everything cool.
Yeah, man, me there. But when you're rolling?
Last time I come in and I come to you now, so
Oh, good. Right. So you bring for me?
Yeah?
You bring for me?
Yeah, no, two places dark, I never see nothing I thought to bring for you.
The place is what?
The place is dark, so I never see nothing I thought to bring for you.
So you mean by that?
Because when you're broke, you don't have no money to buy anything.
Oh.
Money alone, me have.
Oh.
Understand?
So my man thing?
She cool, man. You see me try some food for give her and things too.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Right.
I'm sorry, go yeah, man. Me just busy.
Yeah, you always busy.
Yeah.
Spend time for your family.
So yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You girl are coming around our house. My friend are coming around my house.
Yeah.
Yes, next week. So you know what thing go already. My sexy friend, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
How long me I wait for she?
So you don't know.
Yeah. I can feed for her like vampire.
And nobody make it thing obvious, man.
Oh gosh. Now I'm gonna make it obvious.
Yes, just do your thing.
Now do it right to you.
Alright. So and when me come, nobody just approach her like that.
Nah, me I wait to enter like you come out of the room or something. Understand?
Alright. Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
Hello?
Sanique,
Yeah.
you still come over?
Yeah, me I go come now.
Alright. Just meet me at house.
Alright.
Alright, no problem.
Oh, remember if you give me the direction.
Yeah, man, just when I reach the stoplight, you just take your left and come in.
Alright.
Yeah.
Samantha!
Good.
Samantha there?
Samantha there, but you can't come. Come wait for her.
Samantha there tell me say nobody there go there, yeah?
No. Just come still. You can't come in the room, come go and wait for her, said people. You see me?
Alright.
Yeah.
What happened? So where you lock the door for? No!
Nobody like you. Take your time, take your time. You tell nobody at all about this. I don't know where you go. Your brother and your sister will feel it. And that's all your best friend then. So you better try to keep that a secret and cream up yourself before you come out of your house.
If we just listen to my mother. Mommy, what going? You're good? You look good to my mother. Me carry a little bag for you, mommy.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you, darling.
Right, do mom.
Yes, darling.
You look nice, man. Mama, there's something to tell you. You remember, I think we did in a grade 9. And me did have one friend who come over here, come look for me, that tell me say I don't like the friend.
Oh, yeah.
Why, mommy? I don't know how to tell you this. You know, so the girl it set me up though.
Ah, me know, man. Me know.
The girl tell me to meet her over her house, mommy. And make her brother rate me.
Oh Lord, a lot you want. Come me tell about her. Me tell her say something never right about that girl.
Mommy, if me did only did listen to you. But me no make that get to me. Me go to school, me put up my best, get a good education so me can take care of you, my mother.
God, thanks, man. Yeah, man, me glad to know that.
Alright.
But I tell you about that girl.
Yes, me see me pass her down the road, she look like she has suffer.
Me see her too, you know, mad girl. Get mad.
Yeah, man,
Yes.
you get her rich.
Yes. But she's so serious.
God nah sleep, man. God nah sleep.
Real.
So, Cocky, go inside now.
Yes, man.
Yeah, so with the bag.